Hi, and welcome to another Talking Head video. So this video, I'm actually announcing the start of YouTube Shorts for my channel. So I've been thinking about this for a little while now, and I want to really incorporate YouTube Shorts. They're also going to expand on what's already really in my channel, which is like programming tutorials. So those are going to be kind of like alongside the quick tips. These are going to be really, really short, quick tip videos for programming wise. So it could be PowerShell or any other programming languages. So if you guys have some things that you guys would like to see, if they're really, really short, like under like a minute or so, they will be YouTube shorts, or maybe just some like quick little refreshers on some of the commandlets that we've looked at in previous videos. Those are going to become shorts as well. But the big thing that I'm going to be doing with the YouTube Shorts is going to be incorporating other content into the channel. Now, of course, the channel is called Jacked Programmer. We've done a lot of programming. Now I'm going to try to incorporate more of like my personality and personal side into the short. So it's not going to take over the videos. The videos will stay all tech related, all programming related, automation, system administration style videos. But in the shorts, we're also going to have, on top of those short little tech tips, I'm going to start posting a lot of my training videos, and I'm going to like explain some of the stuff. So even if you guys aren't into lifting, I'm going to explain, maybe do some like voiceovers, explaining like what I do, why I kind of do it. And also, like, I find that if you have an outlet outside, especially in the tech world, like we're always sitting, always in front of a screen, any type of like physical activity is really, really healthy and really good for you. So hopefully maybe that will kind of give you guys, maybe you guys aren't into running, aren't into bodybuilding. I really enjoy powerlifting because I really like numbers, and powerlifting is all about numbers. So you guys will find that out as well. I'm going to do some competition recaps because I have a competition coming up in December. It's going to be my first one in just over a year, hoping to break a lot of personal records for myself. Also, it's just going to be clips of what I'm working on, programming wise or personal wise. So maybe personal projects that I have on the go that I'm making with JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Maybe it's going to be things that are going to be coming into the channel as like full-blown projects. So just like clips of that. And maybe also some books that I'm reading. So maybe some more of those PowerShell books or JavaScript books that I find really helpful and that I've learned a lot from. Will be maybe some little clips on that as well. And also, I'm very open to what you guys would like to see in those YouTube shorts as well, because you guys, at the end of the day, are the viewers. I really want your guys' input on what you guys would like to see. But I figured add a little bit of personality and some personal touches with the lifting videos, just clips of what I'm working on, the books that I'm reading for tech-wise, and anything else that you guys would like to see, as well as the short tech tips as well. Now, the shorts will not replace the videos. Like I said, I'm still going to be releasing the videos every week. On Monday, you guys can expect these talking head videos or the full-blown tech tutorials, project tutorials, anything like that. But the shorts will also be released multiple times a week. So I usually work out or train 4 times a week. So there's probably going to be maybe like 3 or 4 shorts along the week as well. They're not all going to be lifting. I don't want to make it all that either. So I'm probably going to do like compilations of the week of lifting into 1 or 2 shorts, and then do some of the short tech tips and the books, and maybe like vlog style personality, just clips of what I'm working on. That will be the other 1 or 2 videos a week. So hopefully you guys will enjoy those YouTube shorts. Those should be starting pretty much right after this video is coming out. Those shorts will be coming out as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy those, and let me know what you guys want to see in those shorts. If you guys want to see maybe what I eat, I can share that as well, because I know that in tech especially, like I said, health is definitely a big thing, physical health and mental health as well. So I want to make sure that all you guys are also focusing on that, as well as learning the different tech stacks, because those are also really fun. So let's just kind of enjoy all those things together. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you guys can see all those videos come up and those alerts coming up as well. And hit that like button also if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell, and this way you'll get notifications when the videos come out. On top of that subscription, the subscriptions will put them on your algorithm a little bit more, and that notification should notify you on your phone or any device that you have your YouTube logged into. It'll give you notifications of those videos coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.